meron tatlong tab na mag-open, which is tab, uulitin ko to ha, sabi ko na rin to kanina, para at least wala, lalo na sa mga hindi nakikinig dyan, lalo na. Tab 1811, okay? Tab 1811, 1812, and then 1815. Those three tabs will open as land cover impervious project. Okay? So, ano yung gagawin sa land cover impervious project? As you can see po, sa screen ko, ito yung mapa natin sa filter side. For the filter side, alam na yon ng mga alam kung paano mag-work sa filter side. Meron tayong rules on how to fail, on how to submit. Okay? Sa mga naka-work before sa filter side, ilang percent yung kailangan para mag-pushback?
15.
Filters?
Ano?
Okay. We only have at least 15% pushback rate. Okay? Hindi kayo pwedeng bumaba sa 15%. So in every 100 maps, you are entitled to push back 15 wrong maps. Okay? And then the rest na kayang i-edit na mas madali, try to edit them and then submit. Okay? The less pushback you do, the higher chance of gaining better salary. Kasi yung pushback na yon, maliit lang din naman yung kikitain nyo doon. Kasi makikipag-share pa kayo sa labeler and then checker. And then kapag sumobra kayo sa 15%, most likely, mamamas pushback kayo for only doing pushing back task. Okay? So, ingatan natin yung pushback. Sabihin na lang natin may 15% lang kayo na lifeline para mag-pushback. Okay? Kapag sumobra kayo doon, malalagot kayo. Pero later on, sa ibang tabs na mag-open, meron namang roles which is labelers to checkers. Hindi lang filter. So you can work on your desired roles. Kung default role kayo checker, lalo na yung mga checker natin, you can work on checker. Kung default role nyo, labeler, meron kayong filter, so pwede kayong pumili kung gusto niyo mag-filter or kung gusto niyo mag-label. Same goes sa checker. Pwede din kayo mag-filter later on kapag naka-yes na yung filter nyo. Okay? So what are the rules? In previous project, ito lang po yung ating mga hindi naman to previous eh. Ito po yung ating mga category, which is building, road, driveway, long driveway, sidewalk, railway, road overlap, sidewalk overlap, driveway overlap, railway overlap, parking, outside parking, inside parking, pavement, sports ground, swimming pools. And that would be all. Okay? So, hindi ko naman siguro na kailangan i-categorize kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng swimming pool or hindi ko naman na kailangan i-categorize kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng sports grounds. 'Di ba? Or road or driveways. Kasi alam na rin naman natin yon. So, for driveways, ito nakakonekta sa bahay, from the road to the bahay, that would be a driveway. Okay? So, hindi natin din kailangan mag-sobrang keen sa quality or sobrang strict sa quality. Okay? So, for railways, alam din natin, railways should have train tracks. So, most probably, ganito yung itsura ng railway. Okay? And for the road, ito yung itsura ng road. Okay? Hindi naman pwede na ito maging railway. Kasi kung railway yan, nakakonekta sa bahay, wala naman sigurong railway na nakakonekta sa bahay sa ibang lugar. Di ba? So, ito road, ito railway. So, for the road and railway, intersecting each other, alam na rin natin yung rules doon. Di ba? We should do a road and railway overlap for this map. So all we need to do is to fix those parts, cut, 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 and then cut. Cut nyo kung saan part nag-intersect. Like for example, in this part. 'Di ba? Ito yung part na nag-intersect yung road tsaka railway. So all you need to do is to click Control V. Tapos palitan yan yung isa ng railway. So hanapin natin yung railway. Okay, railway. So kapag nagpalitan niya na ng isa, as you can see, much naging darker yung color niya. Okay, so dalawa na yung label dyan, which is railway and then road. And then try to select and then click letter N. And kapag nakakita kayo ng red dash line, it means nag-i-intersect na or nag-overlap na yung railway tsaka road. And that would be okay na. For this part, which is railway, all we need to do is to change it into a railway. Okay? And in that sense, okay na yan. Tapusin na lang natin yung missing part dito ng railway. And no need to merge. Okay na yan. So press Control T for that and approve the map. Okay? So most likely, yung rules na to is for the labelers. Okay? For the labelers yung rules na yan. And for the filter side, iba yung rules sa filter side. Okay? Kapag maganda na yung mapa, kapag okay na yung pagkakagawa, you can try to submit the map with only editing just a few sa mapa natin. No need to edit the whole map. Kasi filter kayo. Per maps yung bayad dyan. Okay? May long driveway ba? Long driveway. Driveway. Long. Driveway. Long. Driveway. And then driveway. Long pa rin to. Long driveway. Pavement. So, ganito yung makikita nyo. Kapag okay na yung mapa ha, kapag wala na tayong error. Kasi ngayon, meron pa tayong error sa map. So, as you can see, ikaw title pa. Pavement to, most likely. Ha? Okay, dito pavement. Ano to? Building?
Building ka, sir.
Ito, swimming pool to, malamang. Budlay, pagid niya, Bert, kung hindi makayo-Bert kay kinanglan mo pagid sila, ikaw niya. Depende sa categorization nila. So, ganito yung itsura, guys, kapag nakakuha kayo again sa filter side. So, most likely, ito, swimming pool to eh. Ha? Hindi siya swimming pool. Pavement siya eh. Oh, yun. So, ito lang palitan natin ito ng swimming pool. Again, kapag nakakuha kayo sa filter side ng ganitong mapa, mostly okay na, hindi sa building, Bert. Hindi sa building.
Pavement, pero.
Wala na naman sa una, sir.
Delete ko na lang sabi, no? Para wala ko problema.
So, pwede man delete.
So, kung ganito yung makakuha nyo sa filter side, kung okay na yung tab, kung naayos na lahat-lahat, all you need to do is to check kung tama yung road, tama yung driveway, tama yung long driveway. So, in this sense, ano yung problema? Ano yung error? Anyone?
Long driveway.
Long
Ha?
driveway.
Sunset.
Ha?
Alin dyan?
Ewan ko. Kaya nga nagtatanong ako kung ano yung mali.
Wala.
Long driveway, sir.
Driveway, sir.
Long
Asan yung long driveway na mali?
Yung second to the
yellow
taas.
mahaba.
Second to the last.
Okay.
Sa baba.
So kung ganito yung makuha nyo sa filter, tapos kaya nyong i-edit within 12 seconds or less, you can just edit it and then submit. Pero yung kanina, yung unang mapa natin na ginawan ko ng overlap, kung sa inyo yun mapunta, kung filter kayo, all you need to do is to fail the task. Why fail, sir? Kasi po, mag-exceed na tayo sa 12 seconds kapag inedit natin yun, right? 12 or 20 seconds something. Siguro 20 seconds. O sabihin na lang namin 20 seconds. Kapag nag-exceed na kayo sa 20 seconds, kung alam nyo maraming error, you can just Control F the map. Control F for the labelers to fix. Pero kapag ganito lang din naman yung problema, as you can see, isa lang yung error, ito lang yung driveway na to, this should be a long driveway, dahil sobrang haba niya na, naabot na dito sa likod. So all you need to do is to select, change it into long driveway, and in that sense, hindi naman siguro kayo aabutin ng 20 seconds for that, so you can just submit the map. Diba? How to submit the map? Just click Control A. And then, that would be okay na. So, for this map naman, check natin kung may wrong key title pa. Okay, no wrong key title na dito. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is to check kung ano yung tama at saka mali. So, in this sense,
nakatutog na ako.
mute kita ha. Pa-mute nga si Sarina.